no da yante gomode nkoma yete ye no say eye ni ababa akwa wo ejuma on Ridge Hospital wabekasa e dia to abonten say abrante bia ye friend Raf oboni dinti na mesumi boni din no say ode ne sabek kan no e wo hospital wo abra wo pray ya wo ba hospital ho say wo bu hwe ne yade na ye hwe nsam a ye nuaba na kana ye nim say hospital lankasa no amount for privacy is always at stake. Now abrante according to the lady's narration say wonu ayi camera a twa aye emergency ho enti we asa we be to journalists yen for God and country for yen trust you ye be bo modern abo ewura Ghana Medical Association for ni ebisa o say so anya bia no hospital ho ukọ a utibi the camera ko no akotwa for nya na ana ukọ hospital ho ni ye show na nurse ni catch say nyabotra doctor ni catch say nyabotra eno no utime bu doctor na utime bu nurse ni ana doge ewie sam community ni afre o
ebi ave da say afre mo for God and country so na e bi sam ko we senior usikai no sare tetanese e abranti rafi ko Ridge Hospital ko siada no na ne secha na ko emergency say en hwe ne yare na emergency no me ase me see adwuma no say ukodu emergency a ye ade bi e friend triage system aye say o buy no yare na ya ade o see show immediately ya na see o see hwe obi a ono de no mu e de nche ho de no ansa na ya ba so ana ti omo triage ni green e triage na che say ono ni issue no enye issue a enya immediate attention me mum there are people who are omo enya immediate attention in fact you be o wa itinin kwankura na se no kra apai wonya bisa score fracture o hia say efen 10 eno na inu say on tiase o try camera ene wo a special trial video wo a special trial photo umpro we chow o de control on na ade ba kwa e hard wo mu say emergency unit na betimi ato obi a e bi kra na wo bedru na wadega e da bontin na akwaya betwa na wo de ko enunti enu achi kwa balance wo osan frame ran TV fi be mo mba ya mbeto say anese for ya doctor for so adi mu gani ya ini ba ya kana se mo ntimi anyane ya kese on de rebo mbopra na ya ade asa ade no ya ade edi kwa se esi kra yen ka se hospital sana health system thing na 100% ya friend saying full proof na ho ye ade abi pia pepepepe ya ti ase challenges ni ba problems ni ba ubetimi kra ko bia de wani anye service de ma wo ana se ni security wo but there are remedies ubetimi papa so e ko report say bia me ba ha this time try remedy anye ho say hwem na say bo bia yeti na fa e kwa mba kwa so ba ni pakro no be kina so ya kina so na me nwe de wa anye sa e no an so check camera e na ne patients e gu ho ni opesi twa ba ni opesi be twa na ba ni mina o de be twa bonte na ade ba kwa ya o ni say sa particular individual ya kwa ya sa
FM
ono akasa kwa ni e kan ka moral right by moral right to do that in ko ni bi ni so be kai last year kala bi say demonstration omo si kwan ya na ko 37 we comfort to ka chen say mo si kwan na nkofo ko so va ga the people abranti bi na ka say Ghana for one boss until we bi wu anya hwe. That's exactly what they said. Who cause for their chat who come to pass and show them even morally we say right no so yes sir but who gain your yeah in hunya the year woman say we do a check cramp na minister for health ba wa or be share any situation is na abranti is aba ho you hu ye no video available on social media and everywhere. Hey, minister has had that to know the com any ministry. But
obi doggy what ye obi beka say e bia de oye no na ojojo rafbo say de be ya ebufo no nyamo
nipa no hia say e no the man is a criminal you know where you crime wa kwa bu obi buro okrom ha a criminal offense and answer criminal offense
criminal.
How do you go and be somebody in a hospital na ya griwa kuma mum inti minia so obi ewura osibi o haze sia otu ya adumai na woso aka ibi nyere de inti wa bewura ho papa waso a na se oduma wura ba na oni dira ho di ngomo sere a se wo dwuna koma
enti doctor but me so quickly sir act na the honorable minister for health yeah papa Minister for Health Akando yeah no Mufi say the raf ebeye hospital hodo na say of one so ana
the optics radius I'm here tell me force raf ko yes me gina baby na raf ko yes ade we na say ni minister administrator to ko mutia no dia it encourages me to also go and do the same thing as from minister ba or in bedin ko ma tria tria me na wan nkan business
okay me say taking issue you know one after the other one hospital where raf call ye or the phone echo to pictures you know meaning say ewo mu nhihye mu no I don't know if there are laws be a ewo SOMPA
patient confidentiality wo won't me expose patient confidentiality be ada.
And when you do that, when you do that, no punishment ben pa and ADHD.
And you know what breaches that confidentiality in our patient. In fact, even in terms of data protection, some people could take photos who miss a patient permission. So we take a photo. Almost photo or one of the permission. I am sure the courts have remedies for those things. I won't mean yes, sir. And you think as a hospital cry the CCTV boy be sensitive areas not patient Daniel don't leave us camera.
Okay, so I want to find out from you whose responsibility is it, sir? Sadia no koye ya or treat camera Eddie breachy amount for confidentiality in that outfit and then say Obasha mas hadia no ya train us one.
And responsibility of the hospital and of course the ministry, because the ministry is our first line of defense and our last line of defense. Then she said, when you're private hospital, when you're hospital, even if it's a private hospital, the minister ultimately have responsibility over all the facilities there. Why? In a hospital, a rich hospital, is your responsibility, and of course by extension, Ghana Health Service and the ministry.
So they are supposed to take that action.
Exactly.
But from where you sit as the president of the Ghana Medical Association, what be some say action no and as anamono 1 year to ana?
Obia report to matter to my police. Nobody has reported the matter to the police. They see any statements issue your ministry issue yes they are calling on the police to investigate. Nobody has done any official report out to police. The police will be no investigations. But could
the hospital authorities per action now when we take here? What would you mean to report the matter to the police?
Question back. Now we are director the World Rage Hospital. Now only minister now about Samo. No, we need power and lead with the Twitter in this matter. No, minister no channel airborne chin in Israel. Do you have the balls to go and report such an individual?
But for the record's sake,
they can't. He is even now. He will be afraid for his job. Also, when saw me, will be out. The minister put a report now. Again, about to me. So he is even afraid for his job. Maybe on one team in Camera. Also,
all right. So, secondly, coming to the assault case on the lady, because lady, actually, rough personally. Nensana yes or no, one no responsible for it. And also Ghana Medical Association on the part of the assault, you know, say ya brood 1 year back hold on. Yanyanity say ya children nipa ba kodie. But the person at the center of this controversy, a rough no. Say no Ghana Medical Association, them pa na mo pese aban eye through the Ministry of Health.
You did it by now, no, I was saying ya children. You prepared in a court. It need not from Rasukai, so you court as a court sell or Haneboni Jana. At least you himself, you never found a person a court Jana. Say a corner born never feel Chinas by a Chinaso, some Rao Kuma. Wouldn't mean Munga at the Attic with your baby. Wouldn't mean Kobubi, a reply or your Kima. Nina Mao, saying he said, your corner a court so only I fine. I say, dear, Jumana, it's Miko Bono. Now, after there is no easy crime be our committee and then the Musi hospital me a Juma. Here, Musa, obedient to the camera baho, obedient to the buoy be free, no cock. And incidents and a pirate pass away home, and say, Yaboy home. And And he expected, so we expect him to be sent to the right processes. Or the rough get by example. And yes, idea free range say the minia. Then I may say, just a more hospital and hospital because they be as a hospital environment, you know. It's very frustrating because I'm going for a ban or be on Oyaripia in Ubia. The hospital, one or per hospital. In your banner frustration, a crabby or a buffo or be a democrat, any other, and the system sometimes it's a real bit, none perfect. But without a saying, say, because of that, no, there was so new room, not a be on your fire, so buoyant. But
doctor, what was that? Mebo, not to cut in. Okay, send me my rare who you pow. I somehow come on rare who can say a father that say hospital authorities, no. One will need balls to even go and report, sir. Nipa sume si. Now you need to nipa and nipa ejina hui. Umi say nipa na boboro. And the on my ben pan yeti mi. On my ben pan yeti mi. Oh. Dog, I am sad. And you know, I just spoke to the PR of Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association, and he tells us, say, oh, 2 weeks. If they don't act, Omba withdraw emergency services as nurses from Ridge Hospital. Ghana Medical Association, are you also going to give government some time to act on this? And if not,
we haven't given any ultimatum.
Okay.
Ultimatum be but you did say they should do the right thing. We are calling them out. I won't prove it and say next time with the first line of defense and our last line of defense. In the say by a Jumana yeno, it will so be a while boy a chidom. Na and yes, I boneso. Nibum, I have also said by ya, or Tina, who being farm ranch and is a normal boy. I yes, you know, they are, she said, the umbrella honor. Minia, who more treaty patient crown one should be in a door called a memoir. There were doctors who go, why I suspend your license you. Maybe a marbon thing. Yeah, money medical attack as on Casa. Money medical attack as on Casa. And no what I said, Ghana Medical Association, a Brabon Chabot Casa, and now Sir Doctor Way suspending license in the Empany. I require Bonnie. Debbie.
Yo, a tester has just sent in a text message, and it says that Ghana Medical Association for Sanka Mukrano on behalf of doctors, nurses, and more Ridge Hospital, no, Sanka Musuweti lodge some complaint on their behalf.
Now we they call lodge complaint on behalf of a hospital, and your friend is saying the hospital is an entity on its own. It's an entity. It's a whole organization on its own. Ghana Medical Association is an association of doctors. If I cry a boom, also a health worker there, but it belongs to even another group. If you hear then you have a lawyer complaint.
Right.
Obviously, this yeah. But we say why she and after say the diminish anemia. What's not you do? Yeah, bring a doctor for Nanya. And Cabana and keep your doctor for the Yaburumbi. And it's not the first time I see. It happens in other places. You are on social media. And you know, Ubia the Shannon.
All right, Dr. Frank Seribo, we are grateful for your time this afternoon. Nyame Eshram. Me pato.
Yeah, doctors, I record hospital and getting down there the
okay.
It's young Kosonka. And me, for example, I have never shied away talking about the system, about young Kasa, their contribution to the system. I making sure say the day in the year. And see, let us continue talking about Bronis. Name playing a match video near the Australia. Whoa, no, what they gather about him. There will be a show.
Okay.
Simply because we are in our course, so no be funty or a video and I come as you so. Now, feel Obama da one thing, Obada one thing, it will be a ship.
No, my answer. You're from Abuchi, and next time, no, or refer to me as Abuchi. Abuchi Kakaraka.
Thank you very much. Now go this.
Oh, Bagodia.
Abuchi, have a nice day.
Nice day too.